In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to fix oversaturated or washed out colors quickly using ProcAmp. Sometimes your footage looks too colorful and unrealistic. Other times it looks dull and faded. ProcAmp gives us a fast way to correct both issues. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for ProcAmp. Drag the ProcAmp effect onto your clip. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. You'll see four main controls: brightness, contrast, hue, saturation. If your footage looks oversaturated, reduce the saturation slider slowly until the colors look natural. If it looks washed out, increase the saturation slightly to bring life back into the image. Now adjust contrast. Increase it if the image feels flat. Reduce it slightly if the image looks too harsh. You can also adjust brightness if the exposure needs small correction. The hue slider shifts the overall color tone. In most cases, you won't need to adjust it much, but it can help if the color tone feels slightly off. Make small adjustments and observe the preview carefully. Now, keep in mind, you can also perform similar adjustments inside the Lumetri Color panel. Inside Lumetri, you'll find controls for exposure, contrast, and saturation under the basic correction section. Lumetri gives you more advanced grading tools if you want deeper control. ProcAmp is great for quick fixes, while Lumetri is better for full color grading. And that's it. You now know how to fix oversaturated or washed colors quickly using ProcAmp in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.